Welcome back to Market Minute USA. Today is Wednesday, February 18, 2026, and the Buy the Dip army has officially arrived. After 2 days of painful losses, the markets are turning green again. MCX Gold has jumped over 1%, reclaiming the Indian rupee 1.54 350 level, while silver has staged an even bigger comeback, surging 2% to trade back above Indian rupee 2.33 300 per kg. Why the sudden reversal? It's all about a breakthrough in Geneva. Late last night in Switzerland, Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi confirmed that they have reached an agreement on general guiding principles with the U.S. delegation. While a final treaty is still weeks away, this is the first real sign of progress since the midnight hammer strikes last summer. President Trump, who is monitoring the talks indirectly from Air Force One, has urged Iran to remain reasonable. However, the USS Gerald R and the USS Abraham Lincoln are still stationed in the Arabian Sea, keeping the war premium alive. Investors are realizes that while a deal is possible, the geopolitical risk isn't gone yet, and that's pushing prices back up. On the domestic front, the Mission 500 India-US trade deal is hitting a new milestone. The White House just released a fact sheet confirming that the punitive 25% tariff on Indian goods is officially gone, replaced by an 18% reciprocal rate. This gives Indian exporters a massive advantage over China, which is still facing 35% duties. As India officially pivots away from Russian crude oil to American energy, the trade gap is widening, but the strategic bond is stronger than ever. This Buy American shift is creating a permanent structural demand for precious metals in India, supporting our local prices. In the tech sector, the Nvidia versus Tesla war has moved to India. Nvidia has just announced a partnership with Reliance New Energy and Tata Consultancy Services to build AI factories across India. With a $134 billion investment in new manufacturing, India is integrating Nvidia's Omniverse and Blackwell architecture into its gigafactories from day one. While Elon Musk says Tesla's physical AI and FSD lead is unbeatable, Nvidia is building the digital infrastructure that will power every other factory in India. My strategy for the midweek: we are seeing a classic V-shaped recovery. Gold at 1.54 Indian rupees lakh is the new floor. If the Geneva talks announce a formal third round tonight, we could see another 2% jump. Market Minute USA is tracking the FOMC minutes and the Geneva Draft Exchange live. Subscribe now, hit the bell, and tell me in the comments, is this the start of a new bull run, or just a temporary bounce before another crash? Let me know, and I'll see you at the closing bell.